I took a hammer. As soon as the order is not executed, I will hit the terminal. So I opened an order, the price goes in my direction, I'm already rubbing my hands and went to make some tea. I come back, I look, the price has passed into the order and it has not closed. How come? While I was walking, the price went back and I am again in the minus. What are my first thoughts? The terminal must be out of order. No. The broker must be cheating. I recently traded with a robot. It's the same thing. The robot must be glitching. If you are just starting to trade, you have probably faced the fact that you see that the price has passed into the order, but the order has not closed. What does it mean? Let's understand everything in order. Watch the video to the end and you will have no questions. To understand why it was not executed, we need to go back to the basic concepts of order execution. By the way, in my course for beginners, the link in the description of the video, I tell you about all these tricks and nuances so that you understand everything and earn more. Let's take a close look at the part of the terminal where quotes are displayed. Note that we always have two asset prices. One price is displayed with a red line and the second price is displayed with a gray line. The red price is the ask price and the gray price is the bid price. Also, the ask and bid prices are always displayed in the terminal in the market overview. Here is bid, here is ask. For example, the price at which you can buy sugar, ask 18.32 and sell it 18.23. The first mistake that beginners make is not setting and displaying the ASCII price on the chart. Let's see a typical situation. Here we have an order by limit, pending order, and the price goes to our order now. As soon as it touches, it has to execute. At this point, the price passed the order, but it was not executed. The buy limit is still there. If it had been executed, it would be called buy. How come? If only one gray price is displayed on the chart, right-click on the chart, select Properties, and check Show Ask line in the General section. As you can see, two prices are now displayed, ask and bid. In order to open a trade, we have two order types, buy to buy and sell to sell. Let's say you opened a sell order. To close a sell order, you need to perform the reverse operation, i.e. buy or buyback. MetaTrader, technological peculiarity. To complete the operation, you need to close the order by clicking on Close in the order window or on the cross at the bottom. Both of these operations include the concept of closing, but not buying or selling. Because of this, a novice trader may have a misunderstanding that closing an order is always either a buy or a sell. Let us emphasize this once again. A buy order is closed by selling and a sell order is closed by buying. The second component of this technique is that a buy is always at the ask price and a sell is always at the bid price. Once you memorize this, you will have no more questions. Let's look at the example again. It's the same example we looked at the beginning, but zoomed in a little bit. So this is the red ask price and the gray bid price. As we can see, we have an order by limit and we are waiting for it to approach the price. Our initial order is to buy, so it should open when it crosses the ask price, i.e. the red top price. And if the order touches the price bit, gray, then the order is not opened, it should not open. Now we see the touch. Let's pause and analyze it in detail. This gray line is our current price. This is the bid price at which the sale is taking place. At the top, we have the buy limit order. And at the bottom, we have the price itself. And at the top is the ADK price. If the ADK price had reached the order line, then the order would have been executed. But since only the BT price, the gray lower one, has reached the order, then accordingly, the order should not be executed. It does not matter how you trade, manually or with a robot. The technological feature of the MetaTrader terminal is such that you see a chart. This chart is drawn literally by the price of the bid. The ask price is not taken into account visually on the chart. It is just displayed as a line, but no chart is drawn on it. So when some time has passed, you go to the computer, you see that the price has passed your order. You see it on the history already. Only the bid price is visible there and the ask price is not visible there. That is why sometimes it feels that the price has passed your order, but it has not been executed. In fact, the bid price has passed your order, but the ask price has not passed your order. Therefore, everything is executed correctly. So, I hope I have explained clearly what bid is, what ask is, why orders are executed, and why they are not executed. If you want to understand these nuances perfectly, be sure to come to my basic course for beginners. Also, check out the other videos in the beginner series, such as What is a Lot? Subscribe to the channel, put likes if it was useful, trade, With pleasure.
Bye.